Hello folks, welcome to Try and Buy channel. Today we're going to unbox Adidas shoes. I'll show you in a minute what kind of shoes are those, but before that hit the subscribe button to know more about upcoming shoes. And for today we're going to unpack Adidas Tubular Doom sock Primeknit shoes. Usual Adidas box. What I like in Adidas, it has its measurements straight on the box, so you can check with all kinds of like centimeters, French, English size, American size for women, Japanese size. And I want to tell you that Adidas usually comes half size bigger if comparing to American size. For example, if you are wearing size 8, you should choose size 7.5 to fit perfectly. Otherwise, it will be a little bit loose. For me, I wear general size 8 American, which is European, equal to European 41. But if I buy Adidas size 8, it will be 41.5. So that's why I usually order size 7.5, which is UK 7, and European it says 40.5, but actually it's 41. Okay, so let's go on and unpack our shoes. You see the papers with the Adidas logo. Here we go. Wow, wow, wow. They look like Yeezy 350S. What do you say, guys? They really do look like Yeezy 350S. Even you look here, it's like Yeezy style. I'd love to say that those are really stylish shoes. Very nice style, very nice style. I like the style of those shoes. Just want to show you all around. And I'm gonna go and tell you detail, how is it made, what, and so on. So upper part is neat, it's very pleasant and good. It's very breathable. If you can see here, for the summer season it will be very good for you, good ventilation all over. It's durable and stretchy knit, which is also very breathable. You can see. Well, let's take out these parts from here. Here we have premium leather with the Adidas logo. The construction is sock-like, it's like a sock, you know, and the laces are for tightening it or just giving it style, I don't know. What I think it's more for style than for tightening it, but it looks like sock. So this is like a heel support with a very nice leather and a nice neat stretch. You can see it's stretching. And the color I like a lot. Here you see just like empty part with Adidas logo again. Here is Adidas logo, and here is like a tubular logo. Inside is the brand with the three stripes. Those who know easy. They can easily say that they look like very light, like 350 as easy. Okay, guys, the below part, this part is very, it seems like a very soft one, but it's very hard. You know, you cannot even press, you cannot even, you see, it's a really hard part, and it's gonna give, I think, a good support and long life. So yeah, let's go on and give a try to see how it looks like on the foot. Okay, now let's put this on. I have already first one. Let's put on the second one. Take out the laces, which are like multicolor. The green color looks really nice also because it's like army style. Yeah, we put it like so. You know, here is the sport. Yeah. Here we go. Here we can see. Okay, let's see how this fits on the foot. It feels comfortable, though how it looks like on the foot, I don't like it, because I got a flat feet and it stretches a lot here. You see, like if I put it, it stretches a lot and it loses its charm. And also I don't got a support here. This hard part pushes my feet, and I think I cannot have a long walk with the shoes. This is will not be even comfortable for running. But for those who have narrow feet, this is gonna be a great fit for them. And walking also straight from the box, even with my feet, even with my flat feet, I feel really I didn't have any problem putting them on. The only problem is the way it looks and a little bit of this part, which hurts like on the bottom of my feet. Personally, I like more the design itself than how it looks on the feet. I mean, these shoes would be great just to look at it straight on a box, not on the feet. This is my opinion. So make your own decision to buy or not to buy this one. Thank you.